Prompt Tree Services are experienced and qualified tree removalists. Upon visiting your site, we will conduct an inspection and submit the best price possible. We have over 25 years of solid experience. We have full workers' compensation and public liability, and our employees are covered within the categories amenity tree industry or tree lopper. We are totally safety conscious, and we are a licensed government contractor. Prompt Tree Services will advise you on local council rules and regulations, as well ensuring that all work carried out meets with requirements. So when it comes to tree removals, tree trimming and tree stump removals, you need to call the experts at Prompt Tree Services on 02 8668 4908 now to book in for a no obligation assessment and price. Prompt Tree Services are truly the experts in their field.